Alright YouTube family, what's up? So we're going to make this curly. We're going to do like a daily routine. Normally I would just do this with water in the morning. You do it with water and then the pomade. But for this purpose we're going to do shampoo, condition really quick because I got some fuzzies in my hair. So I'm going to get those out, we're going to condition it, and then we're going to make it really curly. Just with one product. We're not going to do like an eco styling gel, all the stuff that makes it like crust, flake up. We don't want anything like that. So we want it to be sustainable curls, no like chemicals, no products, just a pomade, one of the more natural pomades. So we'll do that really quick. First thing I'm gonna do, shampoo this, then I'm gonna condition it, then we're gonna blot it dry, towel, and then we're going to add the gel, the pomade. Add a pomade, walk it down with the hand, and then show you what it looks like. And then if that doesn't work, we're walking down with a brush, just with a really soft brush, just to kind of tighten up the curl pattern there. So one sec, here we go. Make sure you're going the same direction when you're curling. Wait, do the curls. The long shake, right? And then dry. And then shake. So you don't want all the way dry. So you want to shake. Kind of like using a perm rod or something like that. I got a dollop of pomade. I'm gonna rub it all the way in because you don't want any blotches. You just want it to hold on top of here. Same direction. And right here, YouTube family, I'm just going to use my hand, kind of like a curl sponge. So we want to do this really gently. We just want to kind of go for the top. We're not like smashing the curls down or anything like that because we want them to stand up, be fluffy, and pretty much get the hairs to clump and curl together. And that's it. I recommend letting it air dry. So a lot of the part that looked white will go away as it air dries. And then it'll look just like you got kind of some curl, some hold. So you don't have to put all those extra products in there to get a similar result. But if you really want to use something that's going to make it curl all the way up from here, that's when you add a styling gel. So eco styling gel, that's the stuff you can like slick your whole like hair down with and it'll hold it. So it's just about adding some hold and some shine. So if you want to add shine from here, add a sheen. So that's a spray. It's like an oil sheen. It'll sit on top and make it oilier. So just like I just don't like mine juicy. So you know I try not to add like Jerry Curl juice or too much sheen or things that are like drip or ruin stuff. So once this dries, it'll just hold like this. It'll be somewhat shiny, just like a little gloss, but nothing too crazy, nothing too moist looking. So, all right, appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Later. Also, bonus mention. So now that it's not as glossy, I literally, as soon as I turned the camera off, I like rubbed and massaged this back into the way I wanted it. So I just wanted to share that too. Using your hand will really give you the most natural kind of look for the curliness. Do it natural, use a pomade, and then just leave it like that. So go edge it up. Obviously I need to edge it up, but just do that. All right, later.